the truth.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And how do you like my braid? So today I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this. If you want to see how I did this, just keep on watching. So first I'm gonna use my POREfessional by Benefit and put it all over my T-zone. And now I'm taking my Camouflage foundation by Essence in two shades, but yeah, they are both too yellow for me, I know. And this concealer will be off too, because I believed in you anyway. This one also too dark. Those were two concealers that I tried the first time, so I had to cover them up with something much lighter. I used my Coty AIRSPUN in the shade Translucent to set my face, and I'm gonna bronze with this face palette by H&M and this big fan brush. Moving on to the brows, and I'm using the usual Studio Pro Pomade in the shade Medium. The brows are done and beautiful, and now I'm gonna be using my blush palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm mixing two colors together. And I'm bringing the blush onto my temples and a little bit on my nose, putting some setting spray and letting it dry down. Now I'm using my Meat Matte palette by the Balm and this peachy shade to put in my crease as a transition shade. Taking this deep brown shade to put in my outer corners to bring some dimension and to carve out my crease. Taking this dark brown shade to give even more dimension to my outer corners. And now I'm taking this Studio Pro palette and using this light pink shade to put all over my lid and into my inner corners. Blending the edges with a fluffy brush. And I'm using my fixing spray to make this pink shade a little bit more intense. And now I'm using this brown shade to smoke out my lower lash line. So this is how it looks for now, and I'm setting the powders again. I'm doing my liner and putting on my mascara. I'm putting on my Diamond Lip Gloss by Ivory Studio in the shade Posh. This is a beautiful shade. And I'm using my Master Strobing Stick to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and my inner corners also. this is it, guys. This is the finished look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and we will see each other in the next one. Bye, guys.
The truth.